Hey everyone, Rod the Tool Guy here at ARES Tools. Today we're introducing the ARES 10020 6-inch digital caliper in stainless steel, including the storage case. This caliper measures inside, outside, distances, as well as depth. It has a nice two-step jaw design to help work around the edges and lips on things. It also has this handy depth gauge for measuring your depth and steps, making this a very versatile tool to have. And on the body of the caliper, you have a nice color defined easy read measuring scale that makes base measurement easy to find. On the LCD readout, you've got your on and off button, your button for toggling between millimeters and inches. You also have your important zeroing button. On the top here, you have a nice adjustable friction lock. The working range of this tool is 0 to 6 inches, and that converts to 0 to 150 millimeters. That is also the same for the depth gauge. The resolution is 0.0005 inches or 0.01 millimeter equivalent. This caliper is made of high quality stainless steel, so it's durable enough to last for years. The oversized LCD screen is larger than other brands on the market and easy to read. This caliper also automatically shuts off after about 5 minutes, saving battery power when not in use. In the meantime, you can keep it in the space-saving plastic storage case that fits perfectly in a desk or workbench drawer. The tool operates on the common CR2032 size battery that's included. So let's take a look at its operation. So we have some examples of things to measure here. Drill bit. Most of the time, after a while, they wear the labeling off. You don't know what size it is. Need the diameters on your bolts, and having the different kinds of pipe around and PVC comes in handy for that. You want to know the clearance on depth. This is a shallow socket, so you might need to know that. We can measure that. So we'll do a couple of these things and show you how it works. So when you're measuring your pipe to get your OD and ID measurements, so you get your outside, and this is where the steps in the jaws help. You have a burr on the pipe, you don't want to be measuring that, so you put the burr right in the stepped area and no interference that way. Recognizing what size your drill bit is, simple as that. Your bolt, again, pretty straightforward. And if you need to know if you got enough clearance on the socket, there you go, you got a reading there. What's really nice too, not only does this hold a hard stop, but you can adjust the friction so this doesn't move around when you're not ready for it to slide, because like I wanted to make sure what the depth measurement is. And also I want to point out this nice friction wheel here for moving the slide back and forth. This tool's capabilities make it a must-have around any home or shop, perfect for measuring motor shafts, bike parts, nail gauges, and more. This caliper is great for a wide variety of tasks, from performing brake jobs, calipers and rotors measurement, or building guitars. They all need accurate measurement, so get yourself one of these for the house or shop. Honestly, I have at least 2 of these handy at all times. Once you start using them, you realize how handy they are. So that's our 10020 digital caliper. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.